Yes, this is actually what I wanted to talk about. This is a short information that I wanted to tell you guys. So you see on the screen, I um, have made a demonstration of Solana of 2020 and then Solana price of 2025. And you see, when the coin was launched, people were just finding it very like impossible. Like this coin is not going to skyrocket, or this coin is not going to be at this point where it is. And it was supposed to be like this. Okay. Now, then Solana was less than $1, and people like hardly bought it. Just like then Bitcoin was less than $1, people were just using it to buy pizza and a whole lot of stuff, making transactions and doing a lot of stuff. Some were smart to invest, others were not, that's what I was trying to mean. So just people didn't even realize that it's going to create a huge millions like it was to be like this, like all time high, like as the price of Solana currently. Now currently this is not the price of Solana do, but this was the all time high in 2025. The current price right now is not that base. That is not the actual price for today's or currently price of Solana. But this is what you have to understand. I was using to make you understand that in the next few years, there are several coins that are available on the crypto platform right now as I'm speaking to you. And some are less than $1 and some are even up to $1 itself. Example, I'll take SRP for instance. SRP is 1.3 and something dollars per dollar. Okay, like per coin. And then when you come to SLM is not even up to $1. So that is the price right now. Now, the best thing to do is to gather some amount of money that you can afford and then invest in this coin. In the next 4 or 5 years, you are going to have a lot of amount that you are going to hold. In fact, you are going to be among the millions people who are making, you know, having huge portfolio, or having huge amount, millionaires and going out with millionaires in this kind of crypto industry. That is what you have to do. So right now I see a lot of people trying to buy Bitcoin, but Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is right now, if you can't afford, don't stress yourself. Just try and invest in those coins that you can afford to invest. That is the best advice I can give to you. Do your own thing. Solana went from less than $1 to nearly $300 in just 5 years. Okay, to nearly $300 in just 5 years. And now we are waiting for the next bull round, which is coming up in the next few months in September. Now the bull run is in September. Hope you understand. So try as much as possible, invest wisely, invest as much as you can, and then just make sure you don't miss this. Because if you miss, you're going to regret. That's why it is. It is what it is. So, and even though cryptocurrency market is about trillion something, like something trillion, I think 2.9 or something trillion, if I'm not wrong, I think 2.9 trillions. Now it's going to create more trillions, and I don't want to use it. So be part of the journey, and I want you to know that I love you. You are such an amazing person to ever be with. So please don't miss this opportunity. See you guys. I love you guys.